What's up, my people? Today we'll be going to Fidelity Estate here in Enugu. So stay tuned and let's drive.
Welcome, my people, wherever you are watching. I greet you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today we'll be talking about Fidelity Estate. Did you know that this estate was formerly called Ebano Estate, but it's now called Fidelity Estate? So people like ex-governor Chimaroke Namani used to have multiple duplex here until the court took it away from him after his tenure. Was it during his tenure? Yeah, but that's by the way. This estate is in the heart of Enugu GRA, where you have the 1% of the billionaires and the multi-millionaires living here. Let's take a tour so you see this amazing neighborhood and the serene and peaceful environment where you can live and have peace of mind. You know, not everybody wants to live outskirts of Enugu. If you have made your millions or your billions, you wouldn't want to go to places like Centenary, Transekulu, MNA, Diamond Estate. You'll be looking at places like Zoo Estate, Fidelity Estate, OGRA, and just thereabout, just estates around the Enugu metropolis. So let's go and stay tuned and watch this video to the end to see inside of Fidelity Estate, because I'll be driving around. As you can see, there's work going on by my right hand side. So this is Okpara Avenue. If you know Enugu very well, you'll know this location. This is the top-notch location in Enugu. By my left hand side is Access Bank. So we'll be going through this road and we're driving into Fidelity Estate. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So watch the video very well so you can let me know what you observe about this estate and leave it in the comment section below. Okay, let's go. So here I come to the end of this video. If this video interests you and you like it, kindly click the thumbs up button and click the like button, and also subscribe to my channel to see more updates like this coming your way. And also, if you want to buy land in this Fidelity Court Estate here in Enugu, kindly reach out to me with the number somewhere on the screen to get you started. Okay, have a lovely day. Bye bye.